So partner, shoutout lang natin yung mga pending na...
Steal by Coach Glenn. Tumatakbo na naman. This is Aguila. Aguila lays it up for 2.
Bilis partner.
Ang bilis ni Aguila, no?
Ang bilis siya partner. From Judy Oquilia.
Lim. Oo, ang dami ring taga-suporta rin talaga. As meron tayo naka-play, nice pass para from Aguila to Fuentes. Glenn! Aguila kicks it out to Glenn! Glenn, for 3!
Bang!
Oh my God!
Grabe yun partner! Nakita mo yun partner!
Punch! Bang, bang,
Coach
bang!
Macalinaw!
Big shot of the Season 1 MVP from the biggest shot of the game para kay Coach Glenn Macalinaw. We are in awe for this game. Walang bumibitaw. Who will advance in the finals? Hindi ko problem for them in case man na makatawid sila on the next. In his
Partner!
Aguila, he will take that foul. He will take that foul. Etong bata na to, napakalakas ng loob, partner. Can he seal the deal? That's the question.
Makikita natin partner.
Does he have what it takes?
Last 15 seconds.
Aguila will try to ice up this game on these 2 free throws. It's a little bit pressure. First free throw, it's good! It's a 1-possession game, 3-point lead.
Makanood yung 197.
Oy, teka lang. Aguila will have to try this free throw. First free throw.
Listen.
Meron technical na naitawag. This
Reinforcement.
is the reinforcement.
Yes.
Aguila for 3.
Papasok kaya? Yes!
Bang! Ito na.
Eto na.
Mabubunot lang kay Aguila.
Binawi agad, partner. Grabe.
Oo. Grabe ha. The 30 Gen is going. Bounce Aguila on the wing. He needs to make a shot here. Aguila binigay kay Ferrer. Good find! Glenn Macalinaw will find him and make the right play. At ito na. Bodies on the floor. Diving for one trading is Aguila. Francisco, hindi niya nila.
That time.
Wala.
They're getting the stop, pero hindi sila makaka-convert.
Aguila, kaya niya yan. Aguila!
Wow! The kid is showing his
Fearless.
courage. Yes.
Fearless. This kid is the real deal. Aguila is fearless and is taking things in his own hands. This is the fourth quarter.
I think he pulled the right move there, huh?
1 and 4. He decided to put that one up and he was fouled. He's gonna take 2 from the line. The court. Shout out 195 viewers natin. Tayo sa ating 190 viewers na hindi nagsasawang manood sa atin on our final game.
Winning moment na to. Winning moment.
Winning moment na to, guys. 2 minutes and 17. Convert! Aguila! Finds Ferrer!
Yes!
Liba na lang! And Coach Jay, courtesy of this kid, finding
Yes.
Ferrer.
Aguila.
Yung run ni Aguila, yung hindi siya sumuko dun sa,
Yes,
di ba?
Yes.
Aguila and Kid,